Okay, this is another video. MLB 12, the show. Um, this game is kinda boring, kinda awesome. Like the Miz, I'm the Miz, and I'm awesome. And it says so real, it's unreal. It ain't got the disc, the menu. You take the disco. It sounds like disco. Disco. You take the menu out, and this is what you got. And then that's all my MLB 12 show.